You know when you're just walking around in public like a normal person, you know, just in the shopping center, as a normal person does in public every day, and you're wondering, what should I get my best friend for his birthday? And then you leave, you walk down the street, and you see exactly what you should get him. I found this. I found a boom gate. I'm not joking. I found this boom gate on the side of the road in Flemington, which is a suburb in Melbourne. It was literally just on the side of the road. I think it'd been hit by a car or something. I don't know how it got there because there wasn't even a level crossing anywhere near the place. It's been kind of splintered off and broken. Perplexing. Anyway, it's mine now. I thought, hey, let's turn this into a gift for Floyd Bromley. Check out his channel, he does train videos. And I gave it to Bab, my dad, and he started wiring up the light. Let's turn this thing into a lamp. Let's do it.
I think Floyd would love that for his birthday.
Yeah. All the electrical wire bar this little bit here was all stripped when I found this thing on the side of the road. This circuit's pretty easy. That basically just converts wall current into 12 volts, comes into here, into this junction box, which was actually completely empty when we found this thing, comes into here and just powers the light bulb. Very, very simple. This used to be an old camera battery charger. I used to charge my old blue camera. What a throwback. That filmed some of the first ever videos on this channel. It sucks up 240 volts and it gives out 12 volts, 0.5 amps. That's exactly what we needed to power the light bulb inside of the housing. This is a car light bulb, literally a tail light out of a car, which runs on 12 volts, as most car electrical circuits do. That's the original socket that came with it. The original light bulb was broken, so we just put a new light bulb in it. Now, you're not really going to get to see one of these ever, so I might as well show you guys how it works. So inside, you've actually got the little red lens that looks like this, and it says Artcraft on the top. They're an Australian manufacturer of like signs and warning systems sort of thing. So then you got sort of the PVC tightening ring. I assume it's made of PVC, made in Australia, nice. And then you've got the little diffuser like that. So all three of these come together to make a level crossing little light thing. All right, now we'll have a quick look inside this little junction box, which is no longer waterproof. We'll have a look at, see how Bab wired this up. So you can see the 12 volt comes in, he's connected it using a little connectory box thingy, and it just connects to the original wiring that was left in the boom gate. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I don't think you guys are gonna need this information, but now you have it. So back on the tools, we're gonna get started making the base for the lamp out of the stuff. So I grabbed a saw, a bit of a weird experience sawing through a boom gate, but you got to do it, I guess, when you're making a lamp. So I chopped these all up and they're all going to interslot. And you can see the wood here. The tree was probably about 15 years old by the time it was processed to make this. So it's pretty cool. So I'm just drilling, going to throw some bolts in here that are going to hold the main section together. And you can see me whizzing those. Pretty straightforward here. And then, yeah, so I had to tighten them up and all that sort of stuff. This is such an appeasing shot. I love that. That's such a great shot of a bolt. And you can see I'm measuring up just to make sure I'm all, you know, more or less correct. And now I'm chopping off the excess on this side. I'm just going for it. I've like no workbench. I've like no power tools. Just going for it. By this point it was getting dark, so I just thought I'd wrap up the filming and show you the finished product. Here we are at a mysterious level crossing. You tell me where we are in the comments. What's this? Where? Oh wow, it's glowing. What is this? Ta-da! It is a boom gate lamp. Check that out. Pretty sick. I don't know what to say, but it came together really, really well, and it came together quite solidly as well. I mean, it was just a concept, an idea, and well, it exists. It's at Floyd's house and it is a boom gate lamp. I'm very proud of how it turned out. I'm very thankful for my dad helping me with the wiring. I probably could have done it myself, but I'm still very, very thankful. You can see that this piece down here was just screwed on. It's a bit slap job. I actually made this the day before it was due for Floyd's party. I had months to do it, but that's me. So anyway, it turned out really, really well. I think it's great. Let's see what Floyd thinks of it. Awesome, nice. Well,
That's cool. That's very cool.
Thoughts?
Very cool.
Very cool. Bab helped. Bab did the electrics. Happy 23rd birthday.
Thank you.
Enjoy. I was thinking you could put it in like the back of your live streams. Just like some rail theming. Are you lost for words?
Oh, I don't know. It's very cool. I don't know what else.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say either. I mean, it's just really cool.
Yeah.
I know. Glad you enjoyed it. I guess we'll wrap up the video there. Floyd, yep, good.
Good.
He likes it. Okay, well, thank you for watching and
believe in yourself. Wear hats backwards to appeal to youth.
Jump over and check out our second channel that we have together. Creator Cast. So I'll look that wherever the hell that goes.
Alright, thanks for watching the video. Glad you enjoyed, you made it this far. Bit of a Gunzil video. Just thought I'd jump on the mic here at the end of the video just to say, just to give an update on the channel. I have a damning announcement to make. I'm quitting YouTube. Yep, I'm quitting YouTube and deleting all the videos off this channel. Ha ha ha. Jokes. Don't worry, I'm not going on hiatus again. I just want to say, I've been working, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been working really hard with this channel recently. I've made it a priority to put more videos out more regularly. I'm trying to go for once a week like I used to do back in the good old days. I still work absolutely insane hours, 12 to 14 hours, 5 days a week. So, of hours. Still love my job, still going well. I'm fine, I'm not about to die or anything. But yeah, so I just thought I'd let you know, all good. But yeah, I've been focusing on the channel a bit more. I'm glad you're all enjoying the videos. It's good to see everyone's enjoying the South Gippsland Hike series. I anticipate there honestly being about 20 episodes of that series, because so far each day has been so long that it's ended up an episode, and we were away for like 2.5 weeks, so there's going to be a lot of parts. So strap in because it's going to be good. I've been trying to work on my channel more. I don't really have a social life anymore. I don't really do anything. I just work and pretty much come back and work on my channel. But that's fine, because honestly, this is what I'm passionate about, and I'd love to go full time one day. That's like kind of a pipe dream at this stage, but I know I'm never going to get there if I don't ever upload. So I want to get this stuff out, and I know you're liking it. I'm liking it, and I've been doing more stuff. I've actually started filming new videos again. So I think it was about 3 weekends ago, but I walked from Warren Ponds, which is a suburb in Geelong, for all those Victorians, and then I walked to Werribee, so that was about 56 Ks, and I did it in a day. If you can call ending at 2 AM a day, but still, I did it. So I filmed that whole thing. I walked from Warren Ponds to Werribee, which was insane. I'd never walked that far in my life. So that video is coming out soon. I'm kind of hyped to like fast track that edit. To get it out to you guys. But what I wanted to ask is, what do you want to see? Because like, I'm just kind of shoveling old at you from like 5 years ago. Like, I'm going to still do that, because like, I want to get that stuff out, because like, I think they're turning out well. Like the kite in the hospital, I think that turned out well. Didn't get that many views, but I was like, you know what? Decent video, people liked it, that's what we're going for. So what do you want to see? What do you want to see? Because I know there's like, I feel like my channel has become a railway channel. It was not meant to be a railway channel, but I like railways, not as much as Floyd, but I'm still into trains, hence the video you just saw. But yeah, so what do you want to see? Tell me down below, because I'm thinking like, of course, like abandoned buildings, trains. I want to get into like stealth camping and like sort of, yeah, like alley lore, so like being a douchebag in public, roof-topping, but meet stealth camping. Like, so I was sort of wanting to do like non-stealth camping. Like we just blatantly just try to sleep in a Coles car park or something like that and just see what happens. And we just film it, and then we just cook like spaghetti in the car park. Like, I don't know. Is that something you want to see? I think we might put some more effort in, like I think it is Uncharted Explorers. I think he's from Canada. He does a series where he sleeps in abandoned buildings, which I've done heaps of, except off camera. So, do you want to see that? Because I want to show you. So tell me what you want down below.
I've probably been rambling, to be honest.
So I've got a Patreon. I've had a Patreon for a while. We've got one follower, Jed, absolute legend. Thanks for supporting us. There's a link down below. You don't need to support us. This will always remain free. I keep saying us. It's just me, all alone. But anyway, got a Patreon. One of my goals on there is to sort of earn enough money so I can take a day off work and just solely edit. If you're a stinge and you don't want to give me money, which is fine, it's your lucky day, because I've already started doing it. I take one day off from work a week to work on the channel, which is why I've been seeing videos, because before I've just sort of been neglecting it and just like, oh, whenever I get time, and that never happens. Like, that absolutely never happens. I never get time. So I made time. I'm taking a day off every week, money out of my pocket, don't give a crap. I just don't care. Like, I don't care. Like, I earn so little money from my job, but I love it so much that it's pretty much just a hobby and I get paid. So I'm like, it's fun. So if it becomes non-fun and I start getting bored, I'm like, well, I'll edit today. Because I mean, my job's a joke anyway. Like, I'm not really making much money, so who cares? And I'm in a very lucky position where I can just literally ring up day off and like, you know, I don't feel like it, why not? Because I want to eat apple juice today. Fair enough. And that doesn't matter. Like, doesn't matter. So yeah, I just want to let you know I am full steam ahead on this channel.
Jump on board if you haven't already. Wanting
to give you videos at least once a week. That is my goal. And we've been going well on that goal so far. So I think it's been like at least a month or two, I don't know, like a streak of videos. So I'm gonna keep it going. Yeah, but I've just been busy doing a lot of adventures. Like I was over in like Far East Gippsland the weekend before that. I was in the Otways. I'm just all over the shop, but I've been filming. So I filmed a really cool abandoned police station in a country town. That's just an epic video. I'm so excited to put that out one day. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know, I'm taking a day off work, I'm focusing on the channel, I want to grow this. So if you like my videos and you want other people to see them, show them. Share the videos, because I don't have any social media at all. So I'm pretty much just flying by the seat of my pants here on YouTube. So if you like me, you want to cast the net wide, just share the videos. That's pretty much all you can do. And keep commenting, liking, because that helps the algorithm. I've got my ancient Fogarty Avenue disclaimer t-shirt on today. Eventually I am going to upgrade the t-shirt shop for those who are inclined to buy merchandise. But that's going to happen one day. And I'm also going to work on a new channel trailer as well, because I'm aware that our old one is so old that it still mentions Floyd. Not that Floyd is a bad person, but obviously he's not part of the channel anymore. But yeah, I am focusing on the channel, trying to make it the best it can be, trying to shovel out videos, trying to get the old stuff out. I hope you're liking it. Some people said they like it, so I'm sort of pretending that it's my job for one day a week, even though I pretty much don't earn any money off this, but it doesn't matter. It's important. What we do on this channel is important. And I think it's fun. And I want to grow this, I want to elevate, and yeah, just keep documenting stuff and having a grouse old time. If you want to support me making videos, continuing to make videos, there's a Patreon. You can join Jed, the super chat on Patreon, but you don't need to. It's all good. You don't need to, but I'm just telling you that it exists, okay? It's fine. It's fine, don't worry. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. I'm not too sure what it will be. I think it might be that Geelong walk, but it might be in a abandoned building. I don't know. Why don't you tell me what type of video you would like to see next week, okay? And I'll try my hardest to get that happening. Alright, well thank you very much. Like, comment and subscribe, as the YouTuber says. And smash that bell button. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye.
Just wanted to let you guys know I'm still here.